Hey guys, Angelica here, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to tell you how to become famous or popular on TikTok. I used these hacks before on my other account that I deleted, and it got pretty big. And then I deleted it because they had like over 100 or something likes, and I deleted it. That's not really that big, but I got a lot of followers in now. So the first tip is always use great lighting. Now, if you don't have ring lights like other people do, well, just use natural light. Another tip is always use a nice background and always be prepared. Tip 3, always look nice before you do a video. Fix up your hair, fix up your makeup if you're wearing anything, and yeah. Another tip is always be active. Either post 1 or 2 videos per day. That will make more people see you, and they might follow you and like you. Another tip is use famous and popular songs and hashtags on TikTok. Always use alerts from TikTok like, oh, new trend, like new band and stuff like that. They got viral. Use the hashtag that gives you, like International Women's Day. Oh, she did that. That's the hashtag. Use that hashtag and do a song that will be good for it. I found a bunch of songs and I did 2 only. And my final tip is, drumroll please, like less videos like that have less likes, because they might like you and they might follow you. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on TikTok, AngelFun332, and follow me on Instagram, Angelica Lombardo. That's all I have today, and have fun and a great day. Bye.